It's kids time! Hi everyone! Today we will draw Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer and Santa's sleigh. First draw the eyes and his nose. Then draw the head and 2 ears. Draw Santa hat and 2 reindeer horn. Draw scarf for Rudolph. And draw 2 front legs and 2 behind legs. Second draw is Santa's sleigh. Santa's sleigh is unique because it can fly like a bird. The sleigh guided by a troop of flying reindeers. Draw some pattern or ornament to make it more beauty. And don't forget draw Santa gift sack. Great! Our drawing finished. It's time to coloring it. Black color for the eyes. Light blue color for the eyes shadow. Pink color for 2 ears and a little bit in the nose. Dark red color for the Rudolph cute nose. Brown color for Rudolph reindeer. Color the ears, head, and some of the body. Dark brown color for 2 horns and 4 foots. Light brown color for Rudolph's stomach. Red color for the hat and scarf. Give red color on Santa gift sack too. And for the sleigh body. Yellow color for the ropes and some ornament pattern. Dark green color on top of the sleigh. Last light gray color for the sleigh plate. Great job! If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you and see you in next video.